What's good, everyone? Thank you so much for coming back. My name is Berenice, in case you're new here. To prepare this no smell, long lasting onion oil, I made use of one onion. Chop your onion into very small pieces for easy drying. After that, use a dehydrator, an oven, or dry your onions in the sun. My intention was to use the sun drying method. Unfortunately, the weather was not favorable on this day, so I went back to this method, which I learned from my grandma. My onion was not fully dry when I finished cooking, so I took it out in the sun the next day. When your onion is fully dry, use any of your dry mills to bring it into powder form. After that, transfer your onion powder into a heat-resistant bowl or container. I then went ahead to add about 50 milliliters of olive oil. You can add any oil of your choice. Mix well, and in a double boiler, heat up this mixture for proper infusion. You can heat this up for about 2 to 3 minutes. When the 3 minutes are over, cover your oil and set it aside for 2 days. You can mix from time to time. I only mixed after the first day. And 2 days later, I am sure that my onions has properly infused into the olive oil, and now it's time to squeeze out the oil. Making use of dry onion or onion powder increases the shelf life of your onion oil to that of your carrier oil. On the contrary, when you make use of fresh onions, your oil will go bad real quick. Drying your onions equally fades the smell of onion. I added this residue into my food. And here is the no smell long lasting onion oil which you can apply on your scalp and on your hair. You can then transfer the oil into your storage container. I went ahead and added a few drops of lavender essential oil. This is optional, okay, because the oil doesn't have any trace of onion smell in it. I use the onion oil to massage my scalp and to seal in moisture. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do give it a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.